Now turn up.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Bazinga Blast. It's a 7-shot by Phantom brand fireworks. That's what the tubes look like if you guys were curious. Some big shots on there. A lot of people have been talking about this cake. It's a really good cake. I would definitely recommend it if you see it at Phantom. And the performance is right here on the side if you guys are curious. And you guys can pause the video if you guys want to see the performance. Anyways, let's demo off Bazinga Blast 7-shot by Phantom brand fireworks. And here goes Bazinga Blast 7-shot. All right, that's not part of it, but anyways, hit the Bazinga Blast. All right, Bazinga Blast 7-shot. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it, babe. Hit it. Bazinga Blast 7-shot. Sorry about the long delay. All right, here goes Bazinga Blast 7-shot. Not bad, not bad. Really good cake.